Main aim is to convert the most harmful waste into the most useful component. So basically, we are converting cigarette waste into yarns, which can be further proceeded to make clothes, can be used in candles, can be used in home decorative, etc. So firstly, we have to clean the cigarette filters. So we have used these three chemicals: hydrogen peroxide, sodium hydroxide, and bleaching powder. These three components are used because bleaching powder can means it whitens the filters. Hydrogen peroxide has an oxide which kills all the bacteria and the nausea effect of cigarettes, and the potassium hydroxide is used to clean all the kill all the bacteria present in that filters. So we have made one solution in which we have already add some filters. So after taking out the filters, we will add in this chamber. This chamber contains three main things. One, this ultrasonic humidifier, which contains fragrance, which like we all know that cigarette waste have very bad smell. So this humidifier will decrease that smell. Then it contains steamer. As we know that in COVID-19 we used steamers to, which means it damages all the bacteria inside the water. So we are using that same thing and we are killing all the bacteria present in the cigarette waste. And the third is our 12-volt DC fan, which dries out all the components of cigarette filters. After that, this is a condenser, means like hydrogen peroxide is very harmful component for our environment. So we are using condenser to it will condense all the vapor and convert it into water, and which can be further used in many things, like we can use it back in steamers. After that, we will take out all the filters and it can be further made to make yarns. We have already made a yarn. It consists of 50% cotton and 50% of cigarette waste. Now, why we have used 50% cotton? Because if we use 100% cigarette waste, it will be not too much durable. The clothes made from this yarn will be damaged fastly. So we have used this yarn. In fact, the modern AIs like ChatGPT, Google Gemini have told that it is not possible to convert cigarette waste into yarns, but we have made it possible. Thank you.